Hey guys, we're at the range for a demo. Got quite a bit of good stuff over here. We're gonna start with the coconut bomb and Dino Willy comparison. Tell me which one you think is louder. Then we're gonna do the the real UFO Garandola. This little guy. We just did one of these for our daughter's graduation. Then we're gonna go into this burnout 16 shot. Dark Night 25 shots. Last call. We did this before. Whoa, Nelly, 49 shots. Baby, what'd you say this one does?
That's like the MTK.
The MTK, that's right. MTK and Skull Crusher, right? And then Nunya, Tough Guy, 36 shots. I'm excited to see this one. And this one too, Terp Slurper. Really excited to see this one. I just love the wrap. Okay guys, we're gonna do a comparison demo of the Juggernaut 8-inch shells and the Goku. So we think that there's 5 color and 1 salute. And what does it say? It's called Super Crackle?
Yeah, Super Crackle.
Yeah, it's labeled as Super Crackle, number 6 on both packs, Super Crackle. So let me know which one you think is better. Dino Willy. Oh, fuck. Damn. 2 Dino Willies. Oh, God. Ah! Coconut bomb. Ah! 2 coconut bombs. Ah! Ow. Oh, the real UFO. That's not good. That wasn't good. Burnout. Nice. Dark Night. Last call. Damn. Takeout. That's nice. Whoa, Nelly. Yeah. Wow. Tough guy. Terp slurper. Wow. Yes. 8-inch juggernaut, full sleeve. Damn! Oh. Full sleeve, 8-inch Goku. Oh! Damn! Damn! We're gonna do a comparison of the Ghostbusters and the Supermans, 2 at a time. And then we're gonna do the 8-inch HCMFs and Locos, sorry, and the Ojos. Superman times 2. Dang. Ghostbusters times 2. Eight-inch Locos. 8-inch ochos.